Good afternoon, friends and family, or even enemies. If you want to know how to earn an extra income slash hustle, side hustle, go and click on my website link that is in my YouTube channel, and it will take to a blueprint of wealth products where you must just put your email in, your personal email in. It will take you to a world where it explaining how step by step a digital marketing slash an e-learning course that only being sold on the webs on the internet. It's not a physical thing. It shows you how you can earn money, and you see, like the tree, it will take time to grow your business. Like you must grow your social channels. The social channels will grow like this tree. So be patient. Your success will come in your business. So don't hesitate to click on my website link that is in my YouTube channel, and will take you to a blueprint. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to DM me if you need any guidance. I'm always there.